2nd October is marked with the birthday of two great national leaders, the father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, and the second Prime Minister of India, or you can say the builder of modern India, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. जी हाँ, 2 अक्टूबर ये दो महान नेताओं की जयंती है, यानी कि इनका जन्मदिन, और ये है नो अल्कोहल डे भी है। साथ ही में इट्स ऑल्सो एन इंटरनेशनल नॉन वायलेंस डे। This brings a great opportunity or golden opportunity for all the students that they can participate in large numbers, since it's the birthday of two great leaders. So every activity can be done by two students at least. Since we are doing this programs virtually or online due to the pandemic, children are not able to participate in large numbers. But in this you have the option, or you have the two leaders, where even if you are saying the speech or poem, whatever activity you are doing, at least at a time two children can participate, because the two different leaders. In every school and college, all the functions, they have some basics or common things like the speech, dance, poems. Since we are doing the functions virtually, we are introducing some of the other new things. In this video also, I have kept the basic as they are. This video will surely surprise you with some new ideas. Though they are not that possible virtually, I think then too you should give a try. So let's see on this 2nd October what else we can do in this video. Hello everyone, I am Sandhya and you are watching Osis Sandhya. Now the first thing in this program, and the very interesting thing, that is the dress code. Gandhiji used to spin his clothes on the charkha. He even boycotted the foreign goods. So in this program we can use the khadi and cotton clothes. The teachers and students can have this dress code on this day and try to be totally swadeshi on this day. This will change the atmosphere surely around us. तो यहाँ पे आप अपना ड्रेस कोड जो है वो एकदम सीधा साधा सा सिंपल खादी कॉटन रखिए, यानी कि टोटली स्वदेशी. The second idea is also very interesting. I think you all will like it. Instead of prayer, we will have bhajan this time. So you can play an audio of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghava Raja. तो यहाँ पर प्रेयर में हम लेने वाले हैं भजन, यानी प्रेयर सॉन्ग रघुपति राघव राजा राम, जो गांधी जी का सबसे फेवरेट भजन है. The third thing is the fancy dress. I think not only the primary but all other students, all classes should give a try for this also. And we have again two leaders there. फैंसी ड्रेस में आप गांधी जी बन सकते हैं, वैसा ड्रेसिंग कर सकते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी की ड्रेसिंग कर सकते हैं, पर ये तो हम हमेशा करते हैं, तो नया क्या है. सो व्हाट्स न्यू, यू कैन ड्रेस लाइक अ सोल्जर, एक जवान का ड्रेसिंग कीजिए, या द फार्मर ड्रेसिंग, दैट इज किसान. नाउ द नेक्स्ट आइडिया आफ्टर फैंसी ड्रेस इज द स्पीच. स्पीच यू कैन हैव ऑन बोथ द लीडर्स. आप गांधी जी पे भी एक भाषण तैयार कर सकते हैं और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी पर भी एक भाषण. One speech can be in English and one can be in Hindi. You can do it in this way. So all the children who don't understand English can understand better in Hindi. स्पीच के लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने लिंक दिए हैं. मैंने कुछ स्पीच तैयार किए हैं, ये गांधी जी पे है, और दूसरा स्पीच जो है वो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी पर है. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है तो आप इन्हें देख सकते हैं. मेरे चैनल पे ये दोनों भी मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज डांस. ऑफ कोर्स डांस इज आई थिंक द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इन एवरी फंक्शन, and on this day also you can have a dance on two numbers I have mentioned in this. अब यहाँ पर आपको डांस और सिंगिंग में ऑप्शन है. दो गाने हैं, बंदे में था दम नया और साबरमती के संत ने कर दिया कमाल पुराना. And if you are not having much time to set a dance, and if you are comfortable with singing, you can also sing the numbers that are mentioned, or you can have the numbers of your choice. Then the next basic or common thing, that is the poem. जी हाँ, एक कविता तो ज़रूर होनी चाहिए, और इस दिन हम कविता भी कह सकते हैं लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी पर और गांधी जी पे, तो इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिए गए हैं. I have dropped some links in that. On Lal Bahadur Shastri also you'll get the poem, and on Gandhi ji also, and you can take help and say the poems. Here also two students can surely participate. The next activity after poem is the creativity, and in creativity online also you can show on the screen. Primary section can do the coloring and drawing. तो प्राइमरी में आपके बच्चे कलरिंग कर सकते हैं, ड्राइंग कर सकते हैं, एक सोल्जर का या फिर एक किसान का, मीन्स द फार्मर. Secondary and the higher classes can also make models. The secondary can make models and the higher classes can make the working models. Means you can just make the replica of charkha and you can show it how it can work on the screen. आइसक्रीम स्टिक्स की हेल्प से आप चरखा का एक वर्किंग मॉडल बना सकते हो और इसे आप स्क्रीन पर वर्क करके दिखा सकते हो. और इसके बावजूद आप फार्मिंग इम्प्लीमेंट्स यानी कि खेती में लगने वाले औजार का भी मॉडल्स आप आराम से बना सकते हैं. Activities, I think many children can take part and one by one display their things on the screen so that all the children are able to see what models you have made or what working models you have made and what drawing or coloring they have done. They can be shown on the screen. I think now it's time to end the program. And how will we end the program? The program should end in an impressive way that leaves an impressive mark or the feeling of that day. And so I have given you two options in this to end the program. The first is the tribute. कोई भी ऐसी वीडियो जहां पर इन दो महान नेताओं को श्रद्धांजलि दी जा रही है, ऐसी वीडियो आप प्ले कीजिए स्क्रीन पर, या फिर अपने स्कूल के बच्चों की क्लिप्स जहां पर वो श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित कर रहे, ऐसी वीडियो तैयार करके आप इसे भी प्ले कर सकते हैं. In this you can play a video, the leaders offering tribute to this great leaders from any social media, and or else you can make the clips of your own school students and offering the tribute, and you can just play that video and maintain 2 minutes silence after it. So this will leave that feeling of that day in you. Or else we have the second option. और ये ऑप्शन है रेजोल्यूशन. रेजोल्यूशन यानी संकल्प करना, यानी प्रॉमिस करना कि हम बुरी आदतें छोड़कर अच्छी आदतें अपनाएंगे. You may have some difficulties to do it virtually, as you have to send the message to the teacher that you are going to uproot these bad habits and bring up some new things, good things in you this year, are going to improve some good habits that you are going to develop this time. So it's the resolution, that is sankalp karna. So in the resolution, obviously we can follow the three monkeys of Gandhi ji: bura mat dekho, bura mat kaho, bura mat suno, and the fourth one can be bura mat socho. So these things will surely make some difference, I think. So the resolution will be the best part to end the program. I have tried to give you some new ideas in this, and I hope you all will like them. And if so, please, please, please give a like and also share it with all your friends. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. See you.